start escape straight through worker discover a woman the test itself becomes clear that she is being held or intimidated by another man. The worker helps her escape boy. In the video, a worker discovers a woman hiding in a dumpster. Its son becomes. Thank you for watching video.